In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the application when it's unable to start correctly. Click OK to close this application. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. So what we need to do is do a search on our computer for control panel. Here it is here. Now once we're inside control panel, we need to go ahead and click onto region. Here it is here. To make it easier to see, make sure it's set to large icons. So click on region. Alright, so now we've got the region box up. Then from here, click onto the administrative tab, and then we need to change system locale. Now you want to change this system to English, United States. Here it is here. Now click OK. Then it'll say system locale change will not take full effect until Windows is restarted. So from here, just say later and then click close. Click later again, exit out. Now what we need to do is do another search. Type in run. And now we got run here. Now where it says open, we need to open up command. So type in CMD, click OK. And now what we need to do is put in this command here. If you want me to leave that command in the description, just let me know in the comments below. I'll chuck that in. And then hit enter, which will execute this command. Then once that's finished, your problem will be solved.